Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. If you are new here and you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe. And thank you to everyone that has been watching my videos so far. Appreciate it, appreciate it, appreciate it. I don't know if I can say that enough, but appreciate it. Today's video is going to be another foundation review video. I actually wanted to do like an entire brand review for this company, but then my wallet was like, where? So I decided, you know what? Let's stick to the basics. Let's do the foundation only for now. And as time progresses, and if I get more products from this company, then I will just branch out more to do an entire full video on the product line. The foundation we're going to review today is from the company Vapour. Now, I did not order this foundation from their website. I actually got it from the Detox Market, and I got a sample pack from the Detox Market with this foundation and also a few other foundations. Stay tuned to see those other 3 foundations video coming up the next few videos or so. This is my little sample, and this is from the Detox Market. And this is a sample of the Vapour Atmosphere Soft Focus Foundation, and this is in the color S160, and of course this is their darkest shade. First and foremost, I'm going to apply the foundation first on my face, and then we'll go into talking about how it covers, how it wears, the product itself, the company, their website, different things about the company. But first I want to apply the foundation because I hate to watch a video and someone talks all the time and then they apply the product last. Like, I came to see the product, not to hear you talk. Well, I came to hear you talk, but also to see the product. You get what I'm saying. So let me apply the product and then we will talk. I have to talk just a little bit more, just a tad bit, sorry. In the sample that I received, it is quite liquidy, so I have to be careful with it, but I just want to show you guys the color, if I can, how it looks in the package. It's a little bit messy. And this is not any negativity towards the company itself, it's the sample, and what else can they put it in? The actual, I would assume the real bottle that it comes in would be more secure, so just be careful if you're ordering this sample from the Detox Market, just know it's a little bit runny. And I do recommend the Detox Market. Shout out to you guys, because you guys, they do offer a lot of samples on mostly any product you want to try. If they offer it on their website, you can sample it there. So shout out to you, the Detox Market. I know this video is not about you, but it is about you because you're the real MVP right about now. I'm going to do like I usually do, apply one side with a brush, apply another side with a beauty blender, and just show you guys the difference in how it looks on my face. All right, done. No more talking. We're done talk. I'm gonna apply the product right now. No more talking. We're done. We're done. Already applied primer and moisturized my face. On this side, I'm going to apply it with a brush. I'm using the e.l.f. flat top brush. This side has no foundation, and this side has one layer of the foundation. And just from that first impression, I can honestly say it blended into my skin like a dream. Like, it just matched to the T. Like, so far it just looks good. So let me just apply another layer. And I don't know if you guys can see when I put the dots, it's like you can hardly see it because it really just matches right now. And don't forget, my skin tone is a tad, just a smidgen darker than usual because it is the summertime. I do have a slight tan. All right, this is the second layer. Bare skin on this side, foundation on this side. And I'm gonna look directly so you guys can see the difference side to side. And yo, this foundation is playing no games. It's like, to me, it just matched perfectly. Like, it's perfect for my skin tone. Let me go, like, do you see that? Nothing. It just softened everything to make it just look nice and just soft. right, Vapour. Okay. Now I'm going to apply the same foundation on this side, but I'm going to use my sponge with that. So this is the completed face with the foundation applied in my entire face. This right side here with a brush, this brush right here, and the left side with my Eco Tools Beauty Sponge. To me, not much difference. On this side with the beauty sponge is a tad bit, it's a little bit more luminous because the sponge is wet. And on the side with the brush, it's a little bit more matte because it is a dry brush, and I actually prefer this side better because I have oily combination skin. So anytime I can get that little bit of mattified look, not dead casket matte, but that, you know, realistic mattified look, I prefer that side. But they both blend out very well as compared to the rest of my body. I really do think the color matches my skin tone very well. As far as the coverage is concerned, I would say it is light to medium coverage. It doesn't give you the heavy cake face, if that's what you want, but it's more of a very light to medium skin-like coverage. Alright, I am back with a slight light beat. I just have on some lip products. I put on really light lashes. These are the Ardell lashes, the demi wispies, not the wispies. Some eyeliner. And I also put on some light concealer from Plain Jane Beauty, and just a smidgen of a little bit, just a little touch of highlight, not much. But that is all. I didn't want to apply too much to my face and, you know, ruin the entire or compromise the look or the formula of the foundation, because I really want to see how the foundation really works. So I kept it as simple as possible. I'm going to set it with a little bit of translucent powder. I don't want to set it with anything else because I don't want to compromise the actual foundation itself. So just the translucent powder from Plain Jane, just a little bit. I'm just going to just brush it on there just to set it, especially my T-zone areas. Now let's talk about the company really quick. Like I said, I got my products from the Detox Market. I did not get it from Vapour's website directly. I went through Detox Market because I was able to get a few different company samples from that one place, and it was just easier for me through the Detox Market. Now let's talk about the company itself. In total, they do offer 12 shades from the lightest, and this is the darkest. So in total, it is 12 shades that they offer on this foundation. This foundation is called the Atmosphere Soft Focus Foundation. And let's see what it claims to do. Sorry, I'm reading from my iPad. So if you see me looking down, it's because I'm reading. It says, reveal your inner radiance with effortlessly beautiful and totally breathable atmosphere foundation. A wealth of organic ingredients nourish, a selection of light, dry plant oils replenish, and fine mineral pigments, even skin tone to impart Vapour's signature lit from within glow. Alright, lit from within. The soft focus liquid formula is designed to balance normal, sensitive, and combination skin types while instantly providing a naturally soft satin finish. This breakthrough formula includes Vapour's proprietary herbal enlightenment complex, which includes an infusion of frankincense, tulsi, and lotus to help soothe, calm, and protect, as well as camellia to brighten. So it claims to give you a soft focus finish, which I agree with, and it also claims to give you a satin look. So it's not, you're not gonna get a matte look or an oily look. It claims to give a satin look, and so far I say it's more skin-like satin, so I agree with that. Also on their website, as I'm looking at the foundation, I will show to you myself. You pick the foundation color, and they have a beautiful melanated woman of color who is of a darker complexion, modeling that color. So when you pick a different color like the S160, they have also, this thing will load, and I actually know her from Instagram. Hey, another person of darker complexion, to show you kind of what it looks like. And let's go a little bit lighter to S140. S140, first it gives you a color, and then once again it shows you examples females, shows you examples of melanated women with lighter skin tone as to what it will look like definitely directly on their skin tone. And the one that I am wearing, which is the S160, which is the darkest one, which is this one right here, click on it, and here are the images of what it should look like. And they also have a guy on there too, so shout out to them for inclusion as well. So not only do they include different skin tone, but they include different sexes. So shout out to them for total inclusion in that part. So that is the foundation part on their website. I'm not going to go into any other parts, but just the foundation part for now because that's what I'm reviewing. Now let's go over, because I'm going in, to their Instagram feed and see what they have on their Instagram feed. So on their Instagram feed, let's see what we have. Let's see it together. They do have, you know, lighter skin tones. They have a lot of product features. So they show a lot of products on their Instagram feed. Right, here we go. We have a picture of two ladies of melanated skin tones. We have some more products and some other beauty faces. This is another lady here of melanated skin tone but lighter melanin, so still dark, person of color. We have this beauty right here of a darkest skin tone right there. Go down some more, and we have this beauty right here of a really nice rich chocolate skin tone right there. Once again, the same young lady that was on the website right there on the Instagram feed again. Yeah, here's a picture of inclusion that includes two ladies. One is, I believe, Caucasian, but the other one is with person of color. Another person of color down here again. This is a collage picture on their website and includes a few different skin tones. But as you can see, a really nice, dark, rich person of color right in the center, as well as Caucasian, Latinas, different people of color, Asian in this collage right here. In the category of inclusion and diversity on their website and on their social media platforms, I say they're pretty good. There's a small room to get better, but I appreciate and I do say they're doing pretty good, especially the fact that their foundation, you can see it on what skin tone it matches, especially in darker skin tone. I love that. On their Instagram feed, they do feature a different diverse range of skin tones, a good amount of melanated women. Yes, it could be more. Yes, it could always be more, but at the same time, they're still doing it, and I appreciate it. It is, and I like the fact that they feature a wide range of lighter to darker to in-between skin tones on their social media sites. As far as their website itself, they do offer samples, you guys. So I checked that out. They do offer samples, so that's another great plus. So if you do want to try the products, the samples are there so you can try it before you buy it. So shout out to them for touching all those points, and I really appreciate it. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. This is, I just research and, you know, bought these products with my own money. Vapour doesn't know about this. I just do this on my own. But if they want to, though, if you want to contact me, all the information is down below. Time right now is 11:50 in the morning. I'm going to wear this full face as long as I can, just so I can come back and tell you guys what the finish is like. Does it make you oily? How did it wear throughout the day? Did it oxidize? Anything else I can provide on this foundation, I will provide it when I come back. We are back. Not we. I am back. It is now, what time it is? What time? It is now about 5:46 in the afternoon. So a little bit over 5 hours of wear. I would say approximately 5 or 6 hours of wear. And this is how the face is looking. Obviously the lipstick is gone because I was doing a lot throughout the day. I ate. So let me reapply the lipstick and then we'll come back and talk. I forgot to mention a few things at the beginning of the video about the makeup itself. The feel of it on the skin, it does feel very lightweight. I forgot to mention that. And also to the touch of it, it doesn't feel like you have much on your face. That's very lightweight as well. So 2 points, it feels very lightweight and it just feels also like nothing is on your face. After wearing it for about 5.5 hours, these are my results. I'm usually pretty oily in my T-zone area. And also, I live in New York City. The temperature today was in the low 80s, I believe. Let's see. No, in my area, the high was 77 degrees. And the humidity was quite low. So it was a high of 77, low humidity. And I spent my time, what did I do so far? I played board games with my son and my niece and nephew. I also had a Nerf gun fight with my son outside, so a lot of running around outside. I did a lot of computer work, and I did bits and little things around the house. And this is the face so far. Looking in the mirror, I would say the coverage is very good. The finish does give you like a satin luminous kind of finish, like the description says, like a lit from within kind of look. It is kind of luminous. I would assume if it was a more hot day, I would have probably gotten more luminous or a little bit more oily. But this is it for a 77 degrees kind of day. I think it performed pretty well. I would have to blot at some point, but as of right now, it is still looking pretty good. The luminous finish is kind of nice. It is not my exact preference, but it is still very nice. I would recommend this foundation for somebody that is more dry, normal to dry skin, because you're not going to get oily, in my opinion. I didn't get oily, but the luminous finish is something that will just age your dry skin to look very nice and natural and give you a nice fresh face. Combined with my oily skin, it just looks a little bit too luminous. Not overly oily, but just really luminous, and it's not my preference. But other than that, I think the foundation is beautiful on the skin. Would I recommend this? Yes, I would. I recommend it because the company does offer different shades. They have 12 shades in total. Of course, definitely they can get more shades, but still it is a great start for them to at least offer 12 shades in a very good range of shades also. And this is a dark shade. This is a very good dark shade. And also because of the representation that they show on their social media site, I found it was pretty good. Of course, it can always get better, but I still think it was pretty good because they're doing better than most. I would recommend it, especially if you're a normal to dry skin girl, yes, or normal to dry skin guy, yes, get it. Gives you a beautiful finish. Nothing much I can say about it. I would more, if I was to repurchase this, like purchase the full size, I would more wear this in the winter time. Yes, this would be more like a wintertime foundation for me. But if I wore it in the winter time, would I still need the same shade? Because my skin is a little bit lighter because I don't have the deeper tan. I don't know, but yes, I would recommend the product. Yes, I would repurchase it. Yes, I think it's a wonderful product. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, if there are any other products that you want me to try out, leave that recommendation below or tag me on social media under that post, and I'll definitely give it a try for you guys. Have a great day and make sure you're enjoying your journey. Bye.